So hello everyone, our daily current affairs video lo apnalokok swagatom janaisu. So start koru. Okay, so World Students Day celebrate kora hol October 15, observed globally to commemorate the birth anniversary of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, India's 11th president and renowned aerospace scientist. So a article to highlight kora hol the celebration of World Students Day. ठीक আছে केटिया October 15 আৰু কিয় observe কৰা হয় Students Day to commemorate the birth anniversary of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. ঠিক আছে known as the missile man of India for his pivotal role in India's missile and space programs, Dr. Kalam dedicated his life to motivating students, promoting education, innovation and nation building. So Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam ki korise nijor life dedicate korise. We all know that he is known as the missile man of India. Teo nijor life dedicate korise to motivate students aru education, promoting education, innovation aru nation building. Thik ase his vision for a developed India by 2020 and his inspirational works as Wings of Fire and Ignited Mind continue to inspire youth worldwide. So তেওঁৰ যোনখিনি তেওঁৰ vision develop Indiaৰ vision হওক বা তেওঁৰ যোনখিনি works হয় তেওঁৰ যোনখিনি teaching হয় হেখিনিয়ে এতিয়াও youthক বহুত inspire কৰি আহিছে আগৰ পৰা inspire কৰি আহিছে এতিয়াও inspire কৰে ঠিক আছে So here related to MCQ now consider the following statements about World Students Day and APJ Abdul Kalam. So World Student Day is observed on October 15 to mark the birth anniversary of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So statement 1 is correct. 2 ki koise Dr. Kalam served as the India's 11th president and was conferred with the Bharat Ratna. So he was served as the 11th president and was confirmed with Bharat Ratna. ठीक है statement 2 is correct. 3 to ki koise the United Nations officially declared October 15 as World Students Day in 2010. So this is not correct, completely not correct. So 3 to ki koise though often attributed to the UN, there is no official UN resolution declaring it as such. It is primarily an Indian initiative. ठीक है so statement 3 is not correct. Okay, 3 to incorrect होय 2 correct होय 1 correct होय 4 to की कोइसे Dr. Kalam was associated with Defense Research and Development Organization and the Indian Space Research Organization. It is correct, completely correct. 1, 2 and 4 correct. That is option B. ठीक है मनो रखिबा तार पिছত next woolly-necked stork. So a rescued woolly-necked stork इतो होइसे woolly-necked stork. ठीक है was successfully it rescued woolly-necked stork hoy aru successfully released kora hol back in the wild at Kaziranga National Park under the Bishwanath Wildlife Division. So a stork to ki korisile Bihmari pora rescue kora hoisile September 7 ot aru was treated at the Bihmari veterinary hospital and kept under observation for a month at the Borgan Range office. So rescue kora hoisle Bihmari pora tar pisot treatment kora hol aru observation under rakhile for a month aru duta woolly-necked stork rescue kora hoisile tare eta basibo noarile one of the 2 rescued birds did not survive, the other made full recovery aru juntu recovery kora hol tak ki korile Kaziranga National Park release kori dile ঠিক আছে and was released at Bobari Bill, a thriving habitat for the species. The Asian woolly-necked stork is listed as near threatened. Eto ki boli listed ase near threatened boli listed ase with a global population estimated between 50,000 to 2,49,999 mature individual facing decline due to habitat loss and other ecological pressures. ঠিক আছে, ইয়াৰ related এটা MCQ চাওঁ. So consider the following statements about the Asian woolly neck stork. The woolly neck stork is categorized as vulnerable under IUCN Red List. This is not correct. This is not correct. Vulnerable bully nohoy, near threatened bully asile hoy, and not vulnerable. So statement 1 is wrong. So to ki koise, it was recently rescued and released at Kaziranga National Park under the Vishwanath Wildlife Division. So release kora hol kot Kaziranga National Park under Vishwanath Wildlife Division. 3 to ki koise, the global population of the species is estimated to be less than 50,000 mature individual. Eto correct nohoy. 50,000 to 2,49,999 asile, so not less than 50,000, above 50,000. ঠিক আছে, 50,000 আৰু 2 লাখৰ ভিতৰত. ঠিক আছে, so statement 3 is also not correct. 4 to কি কৈছে, it was its population decline is mainly attributed to habitat loss. So statement 4 is also correct. So 2 and 4 correct হয়, that is option B. Next, ki koise National Biopesticide Summit. So the first National Biopesticide Summit and Conference on Emerging Trends in Agriculture for Sustainable Development 2025 was held at Assam Agricultural University, Jorhat. So first National Biopesticide Summit and Conference held kora hol kot Assam Agricultural University, Jorhat. The event jointly organized, kune organize korise, jointly organized kora hoise Assam Agricultural University aru Jorhat aru Agricultural Microorganism Manufacturers and Farmers Association jointly organized kora hoise AAU Jorhat aru Agricultural Microorganism Manufacturers and Farmers Association, that is AMMA. Okay, AMMA. Aim to promote a resilient, green and innovative agricultural economy aligning with Atmanirbhar Bharat and Azadi Ka Amrit Kal. Over 250 delegates, scientists and entrepreneurs from across India participated to discuss biopesticides, biofertilizers and sustainable farming system. So here related at MCQ sound. The first National Biopesticide Summit 2025 was held at Kot hoise Assam Agricultural University, Jorhat. ঠিক আছে, মনত ৰাখিবা. 2 to কি কৈছে, India Mongolia MOUs. ঠিক আছে, India আৰু Mongolia recently signed কৰিছে multiple memorandum of understanding and announce visa-free travel between the two nations to mark 70th anniversary of diplomatic relations. So India and Mongolia sign korile multiple memorandum of the understanding MOUs aru announce korile visa-free travel between two nations to mark 70th anniversary of diplomatic relations. ঠিক আছে, Mongolian President Khurelsukh Ukhna visited India for the first time as president. So Mongolian President India visit korile for the first time, holding delegation level talks with Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Delhi. ঠিক আছে, the agreement covered humanitarian aid, heritage site restoration, geology and mineral resources, promotion of cooperatives and digital corporation. India also affirmed its commitment to support Mongolia's oil refinery project through a 1.7 billion line of credit. So here related at a MCQ sound. Consider the following statements regarding recent India-Mongolia relation. India and Mongolia marked the 70th anniversary of their diplomatic relation in 2025. So this is correct. India extended a 1.7 billion line of credits for Mongolia's oil refinery project. So So etu correct hoy 1.7 billion e asile. Yes, 1.7 billion. 2 is also correct. 3 to ki koise President Khurelsukh Ukna's visit to India 2025 was his first as president. As a president he visited for the first time, so it is correct. 3 to ki koise the recent MOUs include cooperation in defense and nuclear technology. Defense aru nuclear technology nasile ki asile humanitarian aid, heritage site restoration, geology and mineral resources, promotion of cooperatives and digital cooperation, not defense and nuclear technology. So statement 4 is not correct. 1, 2, 3 correct hoy. So 1, 2 and 3 only, option A. So next, AI Data Hub. So Adani Connects, a joint venture of Adani Enterprises, has partnered with Google to establish India's largest AI Data Hub in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. ठीक है? So Adani Connects, a joint venture of Adani Enterprise, partner कोरिले कार लोगों Google लोगों क्यों करने to establish India's largest AI data hub in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. ठीक है? The 15 billion projects, eto kiman billioner project hoy, 15 billioner project hoy, spread over 5 years, will serve as the gigawatt scale AI and cloud data center campus, including subsea cable networks and clean energy infrastructure. It aims to make India a global hub of AI innovation, digital infrastructure and data usage, data storage. ठीक है? According to Google Cloud CEO Thomas Kurian, this will be Google's largest AI hub outside the United States. Okay, here related data MCQ sound. Consider the following statements regarding Adani Google AI Data Hub project. Adani Connects, a joint venture of Adani Enterprises, has partnered with Google to build India's largest AI data hub. So this is correct. To ki koise the project is located in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Correct hoy. The total investment is 15 billion over 10 years. 10 years no hoy, 5 years hoy. So it is not correct. 15 billion to correct hoise, 10 years no hoy. ठीक है? 4 to ki koise it will be Google's largest AI hub outside United States. So it is also correct. So 1, 2 and 4 correct hobo, option A. Okay, here is a main question. So be practice koriba. Azile imanote hamorilu, kaile ako log pam. Thank you.